Okay, for this today. Today we will be discussing the first slide 1 through 6, actually. So the first slide, IDA, Individuals with Disability Act, and it has here Vanita Johnson, Activity 2, Laws and Policies that Affect Teaching. Teach Now, Graduate School of Education, June 24th, 2020, Dr. Kelly. Okay, this is the introduction, and this is slide 2. According to Individuals with Disability Act, or IDA, each individual who receives services in special education are required to have an individualized education program, IEP. This committee oversees the admissions and dismissal of students to special education and the creation and administration of IEPs. This presentation discussed, not paper, this presentation discussed the 13 categories of exceptionalities which enables the learner to qualify for approved special education services or individualized education program, IEP. Also have speaker notes. Okay, for the third slide, we have here the definition of exceptionality. The definition of exceptionality refers to the 13 categories which enables the learner to qualify for approved special education services or individualized education program or an IEP. IEP services for one-on-one classroom accommodation within the United States, although certain categories must be met in order to qualify for approval. Speaker notes as following the same. Okay, slide 4. The 13 identified categories of exceptionalities. As cited in Landa 2016, in Individuals with Disability Act 2004, or IDA, identified 13 categories of exceptionalities to be the following categories, which are 1. Autism, 2. Deaf and blind, 3. Deafness, 4. Emotional disturbance, 5. Hearing impairment, 6. Intellectual disability, 7. Multiple disabilities, 8. Orthopedic impairment, 9. Other health impairment, 10. Specific learning disabilities, 11. Speech and language impairment, 13. 12. Traumatic brain injury, and 13. Visual impairment. The fifth slide, conclusion. According to Individuals with Disabilities Act, or IDA, each student who receives services in special education are required to have an individualized education program, which is called an IEP. This committee oversees the admissions and dismissal of students to special education and creation of administration of IEPs. This presentation discussed the 13 categories of exceptionality which enables the learner to qualify for approved special education services or individualized education program, or IEP. This is the conclusion. Here are my references for slide 6. Okay. Landa K. Lecture 2016, Strategies for Teaching Diverse Learners, Module 1 video, American College of Education, retrieved from http://ace.edu. Okay, this is the my references. Here they are, slide 1 through 6. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.